This conference will now be recorded.
Right. So SAP Easy Access, then accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, reference documents, then double click on FBD1 recurring document. Double click on FBD1 recurring document. Double click on recurring document FBD1. Yeah, fine. So double click on that. Double click on that. Give the company code. What is our company code?
MMI1.
MMI1. Company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Then recurring entry run. See, recurring entry run. First run on, last run on. So generally, while creating recurring document templates, the document template, this template shall be created with a validity of 1 financial year. In general, I'm talking about. So in general, the validity of this document will be 1 year, so that in that 1 year, as and when end user want, he can make use of this document template as a reference document, and using this, he can process the transactions which are repetitive in nature. Okay, so first run, generally we give first day of the financial year. So that is 01/04/2019. We have our financial year is getting started with April, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, first April 2019. Then the last run will be 31st March 2020. 2020. 31st March 2010. Then interval in months. Interval in months. See how frequently you would like to use this document templates to process the repetitive transactions. Monthly ones or bi-monthly ones or quarterly ones. Suppose if I give here 01, system will understand that end user wants to use this document template every month. Okay. Suppose if I give 2 here, in continuous 2 months, he wants to use it for one time. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. So just I'm giving 01. Then run date. Run date means using this document template, recurring document template, end user will process the transaction. So as and when he would like to process the transaction using this recurring document, on which day of the month he has to use, that date has to be mentioned here. It can be from any month, it can be any date in a month. So but in generally, just I'm giving 01, first working day of the month. First working day of the month. Then select copy text checkbox. Select copy text checkbox icon. That means whatever the document, whatever the text we give during the creation of a template, the text given in the template automatically will be copied when end user process the transaction. So to happen like that, to make this happen, we need to activate copy text option. Then document type, give SA. Document type SA. Document type SA. Then posting key here. So currency. You can give any currency here, but right now we can give only INR. Currency INR. But remember, it need not be INR, it can be any other currency. INR. The next, posting key 40, that is for debit.
Jay,
Yeah,
in last run on, they have mentioned instead of 2020, 2010, you have mentioned.
sorry, thank you.
Yeah.
It is 2020. Yeah, thank you. Then posting key 40, posting key 40. 40 stands for debit. I have mentioned already, I have explained about that. Just I am giving 3
Yes.
lakh 1, 3 lakh 1, account 3 lakh 1, 3 lakh 1. Press enter, write down very carefully. Press enter, get the warning message. Write down as it is, please. Get the warning message. First run is in the past. You can see the message in the bottom left side. Get the warning message. First run is in the past. See, any message with an yellow icon is a warning message. We need not have to worry. Even in real time also it is the same in majority of the cases. Okay, so any message which is with yellow icon is a warning message. We need not have to consider this as a serious issue. Okay, so get the warning message, first run is in the past. Ignore the message, ignore the message, press enter. Ignore the message, press enter. Give the amount. You can give any amount. Just I am giving 55,000. Let's say 65,000. Any amount. Just text. Rent paid in cash. Rent paid in cash. Give the posting key 50. In the earlier screen we have given 40, that is debit. Now 50, which will indicate credit. So account 1 lakh 1, cash GL account 1 lakh 1. Press enter. Press enter. Hope you are getting sufficient time to note down, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So
we are
account
getting
1,
sufficient.
fine. So account 1 lakh 1, press enter. Give star in amount field, plus in text field. Give star in amount field, plus in text field. Give star in amount field, plus in text field. Click on post or save. Click on post. Click on post and note down the document number. Document 20,001 was stored in company code MMI1. Document 20,001 was stored in company code MMI1. Right. Next. See, this 20,001 is a recurring document template. Now, using this template, end user can process rent as and when he would like to process rent in the system. Okay. The next step, step number 3. Step number 3. Process rent payment. Process rent payment or rent paid with reference to recurring document template, using F.14, using F.14. process rent paid with reference to recurring document template using F.14. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, then general ledger, then periodic processing, next recurring entries, then F.14 execute, so double click on F.14 execute, double click on that, give the company code. What is our company code? MMI1. See here, we have created a recurring document template under the company code MMI1. Though we have created this particular template only under company code MMI1, this template can be used to process transactions in multiple company codes. Okay, that is the reason why you have an option here, company code from field and to field. Observe.
Yeah.
Okay, that means using this recurring document template, you can process same transaction in multiple company codes at a time. This is the advantage which we'll have with the recurring document template when compared to sample document and account assignment model. See, account assignment model, sample document and recurring documents, all are reference documents types only. But using account assignment model and sample document template, those document templates are with respect to or restricted to one particular company code under which they have been created. They can't be used for other company codes. But it is not the case when it comes to the recurring document template. Recurring document template, it is something like a universal template which can be used for all company codes, but the transaction should be same. Okay, suppose you have created recurring document template for rent. That means that recurring document template shall be used for processing rent across different company codes. It should not be used for other purpose. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so just I'm giving our company code MII1. Then here, document number. Did you remember the recurring document template number?
Yeah, 20,001.
Excuse me. It is 20,001. So directly you can give 20,001. Directly you can give 20,001. If you do not remember by chance, simply give 12999999. System will pick up 12999999. Then fiscal year 2019. Sorry, excuse me. Fiscal year 2019. Document type SA. Document type SA. Then settlement period. This is something very important. Keep star mark. beside settlement period in your notebook. This is something very important. It is from date and to date. Which date has to be given? See, the settlement period must be the date of first run and last run date which we have given while creating template. See, I'll show you. Just a second. See, this is the template which we have given, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I have a question over here. I mean,
Please.
it's uh, not related to this topic, but it's like we are creating for every transaction, we are creating one debit and one credit. Why we need to create both?
See, for that you need to know accounting fundamentals basically. The reason is
Okay.
every transaction, it's a very good question actually, conceptually very important. Every transaction that has to be processed into the system, okay, every business transaction will have two aspects in it, which we call it as double entry system. Okay, two aspects. One is debit aspect, another one is credit aspect. So by recording debit aspect and credit aspect in the system will understand that one transaction has been processed into the system. Unless you record both the aspects, processing of transaction is incomplete. Every transaction, each and every transaction, whether it is a procurement or sale or receipt or payment or expense or income or revenue, asset purchase, asset sale, investments made, everything, you take any business transaction, each and every business transaction will have two aspects. One is debit aspect, another one is credit aspect. And these two aspects must and should be recorded in order to process a transaction. An end user has processed transaction means he must have processed that transaction in the form of debit aspect and credit aspect. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
see, that is the reason why you see here plus minus, minus plus, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, so I told you I'll be sending some documents. Okay, so I will share one document. If you go through around 4 or 5 pages, you will clearly understand. Okay, so see here, this is the recurring document template which we have created. See the validity 014-2019 to 31st March 2020, correct?
Yeah.
First run, next last run. Okay, so that date, first run on and last run on date must be given while executing the transaction here. So 01/04/2019, then 31st March 2020. This is something very important to be remembered because this indicates validity of this recurring document template. Then, so give settlement period, first date of the financial year, last date of the financial year in a simplified terminology. Then batch input session name, batch input session name. You can give any name. It's an alphanumerical name you can give. You can use all alphabets or numbers or combination of both. So just I'm using your name. So batch input session name, you can give your name. Then if you observe
Okay.
here, username is SAP user, right? By default,
Yeah. Yeah.
SAP user is there, but in real time, actual user ID will appear here. The end user who is processing this, his user ID will appear here. Okay, so in my case, user ID is SAP user. My username is SAP user. You can see here. Okay, then so give the batch input session name, any name. Just I have given your name as the batch input session name. Then click on execute on the top left. Click on execute. Click on execute. It will say it will take some time. Execute and get the message. Please note down the message without fail. Session Manisha was created. Session Manisha was created. Continuation, not yet over. Continuation to your notes. Click on system on the main menu. Click on system on the main menu. System on the main menu. Then services. Services. Then batch input. Batch input. Batch input. Then click on sessions. Write down very carefully. I said click. Click on sessions. Click on sessions. Select session Manisha with color. Generally, which is on the top. Select session with color. With color. Write down carefully as it is what I mentioned in the words. Select session Manisha with color. Then click on process tab. Here you can see. Click on process. Click on process. Write down carefully. Select display errors only radio button. Select display errors only radio button. Second option on the left side. Select display errors only radio button. Click on process. Here you can see here. Click on process. Click on process and get the message. Sorry, click on process. Takes bit time. Please do wait. Get the message. Get the message. Processing of batch input session completed. Please note down the message. Get the message. Processing of batch input session completed. Get the message. Processing of batch input session completed. Then click on exit batch input. Click on exit batch input. Here you can see. Click on exit batch input. That's it. End user has processed the transaction. He has posted rent. But the point here is, when we are posting a document, system should generate a document, right?
Yeah.
System has not given any such message. Document number so and so has been posted or processed or created. We did not get any message. That means we need to ensure whether transaction has been processed or not. We need to ensure. How can we ensure?
Maybe with these all steps, what we've followed for this batch input.
No. Simple. In a simplified way, I would like to, we need to get that information. See, what is the template amount? 65,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just I'll show you. I go to FBL3N /O FBL3N. I give 3,01,000. Select all items, execute. See, 65,000, right? document number 16. Okay, right? So this is how we can check it out. Okay, so right, you want me to give this step?
No, it's
Yeah, okay. So this is how we do use reference documents in real time. So we are done with reference documents. The next topic, please take it out. Next topic, and this topic number 6, I believe. Correct?
yes.
6. Yeah, topic 6. 6. Yeah. See,
But
observe.
here the steps which we followed for batch input, all these sessions going to process and all, what were all these for?
That were?
What were all these for? Means I'm not clear why we did these steps.
Which one? Which one you are talking about?
We went to batch input and we selected session and then
That is what
process
we
tab
have
and
done
all.
now. Yeah, that is,
Yeah, means all those were required for.
all those are required for processing transaction using recurring document template.
Okay, means every time we need to perform the steps if we are using this reference document.
Yes, yes. Every time you have to go to F.14. How much time
Yeah,
it will take?
and
Hardly it takes less time. It takes very less time. See, as we are at
yeah,
learning stage,
yeah.
please. Go ahead, go ahead.
No, no, actually, I just asked because in all those we were not, means this batch input thing was not coming into picture. So for this step it came. That's why I just asking.
Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. The next topic 6, document parking. This is something very important. Interesting topic as well. Document parking. Document parking. Document parking. Hope you got the server access.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, fine. So document parking. Have you heard about parking?
Just
What is
vehicle parking I'm
vehicle
aware of.
parking? Yeah, vehicle parking. If you know what is vehicle parking, you can easily understand what is document parking. See, every time wherever we go, we park our vehicle, right, in a particular place, right? Correct? Hello?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't mute yourself because you are the only
Yeah.
person attending the session. So
Actually,
see,
maybe some background noise. That's why. Yeah.
no background noise. I'm able to hear from your side. It's okay.
Okay.
Fine. See, document parking. Parking, observe very carefully. We know what is parking very much. What we do is, suppose when we are going for a shopping or when we go to a movie, what we do is, if we are going by vehicle, our own vehicle, we keep our vehicle in a particular place. Nothing but we park our vehicle in a particular place. We complete our work. We will come back and we will take out our vehicle and we go to the home. Correct?
Yeah.
So the place we are parking our vehicle, the place we are keeping our vehicle is not a permanent place. It is a temporary place. Correct?
Yeah.
That means for a temporary period of time, we are keeping our vehicle, which doesn't have permanency. So similarly, when it comes to the SAP document parking, in document parking, the same concept is being used. The concept of regular parking has been taken as the basis to design this document parking. But when this document parking concept has to be used. What exactly is document parking in real time as far as concerned to processing of the transactions? See, let me take an example. If you go to the bank, you will see different kinds of designated people like clerk, head cashier, cashier, assistant manager, general manager, or manager, right?
Yeah.
These are all the employees who are working in a bank. And why, what do they do? What for they are meant for? They are meant for processing the banking transactions, correct?
Yeah.
Right? So cashier will do some work, head cashier will do some work, assistant manager will do some work, and manager will do some work. And these
Yeah.
people will be given authorization, these people will be given rights, or these people will be given permission to process transactions with some monetary limits. Suppose if you want to withdraw money of rupees 20,000 with a check, what you can do is
Mm.
you go directly to the bank, you hand over that check to the cashier, he will encash it. Getting my
Yeah.
point? Suppose if you
Yes.
want to draw money of rupees 50,000 with a check, through check, if you go directly to the cashier and if you hand over check to the cashier, immediately you will see what is the amount on that, and he will find that 50,000. Immediately say that I am not authorized to process or to accept this check. You please go and contact head cashier. So you will go to the head cashier, you will hand over the check, and he will honor that check, he will pay the cash. Similarly,
Yeah.
if you want to withdraw higher amount than 50,000, that will not be, suppose let us say you want to draw 1 lakh rupees. Example I'm taking. 1 lakh rupees check you want to draw. Through check you want to draw 1 lakh rupees. And if you go to head cashier and give the check, he will say, no, I am not empowered. I don't have rights. I don't have authorization. You go and contact assistant manager. So you go to the assistant manager. He will honor the check and he will provide you the cash. So what is
Yeah.
this? Different levels of users, they are having monetary limit powers, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
So in my example, let
Mm.
me repeat the example very clearly so that you will understand what is document parking effectively. See, first you have written a check for 20,000 rupees and you went to cashier, handed over that check. What he will do? He will check all the details. As he is having powers to honor the check, to accept the check, he will sign on the check or he will cross that check and he will pay you the amount and he will process the transaction in the system. Clear? So as of now?
Yeah.
Next day, again you went to the bank holding a check and that check has been written for 50,000 rupees. You went to the cashier. You have handed over that check. What that cashier will do is he will not honor that check, rather he will endorse that check. He will check all the things: date, your name, signature, amount, whether balance is available in your account or not. Everything he will check. After checking the details, he will endorse that check to head cashier, who will honor that check and who will pay you the amount, or who will authorize this cashier to make the payment to you. Clear?
Yeah.
Similarly,
Yes.
third day you went again, you have written a check for 1 lakh rupees. Again you went to the cashier. Again what that cashier will do is cashier will check all the details: name, your account, date, validity of the check, okay, and the account balance, everything he will check. He will endorse that check to head cashier. Again head cashier will check all the details once again. Has
Mm.
he will check all the details again. After checking, he will endorse it to assistant manager, because head cashier is not empowered to accept or honor the check worth of 1 lakh. So now the check is with now the check is with whom? It is with
Assistant
assistant
manager.
manager, and that assistant
Mm.
manager will process the check. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, that means coming to the SAP, how it will be done is first we went to cashier, right? So
Yeah.
cashier will process that. He will create. He will open the screen and he will process that payment. Instead of posting that transaction, what he will do is he will create a document and he will park that document, and that parked document will be sent to the head cashier. Then head
Okay.
cashier will open that document in his system. He will check all the details. As soon as he feels, as soon as he satisfies that document is correct, he will park, he will move that document from his login to assistant manager login. Then assistant manager will open a screen. He will open SAP, and what he will do is he will post that document. So at the level of assistant manager, document will be posted. That means processing of transaction will be completed at the level of assistant manager, because as he is having powers to, as he is empowered to process transaction with a monetary limit of 1 lakh. Assume suppose he doesn't have monetary limit powers up to 1 lakh. What he will do, assistant manager?
To again higher level manager.
Yeah, manager.
He will again
Generally
park the
manager. Yeah.
document manager.
Yes. Yeah, he will move that document to manager. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So in this scenario, if you observe, till a document reaches to the confined level, to the competent level, it is under a mode called parking mode. Till that level, till assistant manager level, we should say that document has been in a parking status. It is not in posted status, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what is document. But document is in parked status not for a unlimited time. It will be in parked status for a temporary period. Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, so if you observe carefully, I have explained what is document parking, and also in which scenario this concept has to be used in real time, and also I have explained something called monetary limits for various users. Okay, that limit we maintain under field status, sorry, tolerance groups. That limit we call it as, in SAP terminology, we call it as tolerance limit. Tolerance limit: cashier 20,000, head cashier 50,000, assistant manager 1 lakh, manager more than 1 lakh. Getting my point?
Yes.
Right? So let us see in detail, step by step, document parking. So for that we need to create users, right?
Yes.
Like cashier, assistant manager, and manager. Let us create. Okay, so step number one. Step number one. Create user. Step number one. Create user. User. Let us name called. I'm taking your name. MANISH. MANISH. C for clerk or cashier. MANISH. C for either cashier or clerk. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
All right. Using SU01. SU01. See, Manisha, user creation and maintenance of user is not the duty and responsibility of the functional people, finance people. It is the responsibility of the either ABAPers or basis team in real time. Okay.
Okay.
So this is not the activity, user creation activity is not the activity of functional consultant like finance, controlling, vendor, sorry, production module people. So they are all called as functional consultants. Okay. So this user creation will be done by technical consultants. Either it can be ABAPers or it can be basis consultants. But in general, basis consultants will be the authorized persons to create users and to give authorizations basing upon the business requirement. But in some projects, I have seen ABAPers are also being given power to create users. So step 1, create user called cashier using SU01. So please take down the notes. Give SU01 in the command box. Give SU01 in the command box. SU01 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the user. It's an alphanumerical code. You can give numbers or alphabets or combination of both. So just I'm giving Manisha C. Please remember. Yeah, Manisha C. Then click on create. Here you can see create icon. Create. Click on create. It takes a bit time, please. Click on create. Yeah, just a minute. I will log out and log in once again to not to have complications. So SU01, press enter, giving Manisha C username. Then click on create icon, which is on the top left. Create. Title. User can be Mr. or Miss or Dear. Anything you can give. Okay, so just I'm giving Dear or MS or MS. Anything you can take. Last name. Just I'm giving Manisha. Your name. That surname and all those things will be mentioned here. Need not have to worry about that. So last name Manisha. Then click on logon data tab. Click on logon data tab. Click on logon data tab. Give the initial password. Initial password visible?
Yeah.
So initial password. Any password you can give. Just I am giving INDIA123. India 123 I am giving. India 123.
Okay.
Okay. Initial password. You can give any password. Need not be the same. Then give the repeat password. Must be the initial password. INDIA123. Give initial password and repeat password. Click on defaults tab. Click on defaults tab. Defaults tab. Defaults tab. Ignore the warning message. You can see the warning message. The entered password is not downward compatible. Ignore the warning message. Then select output immediately checkbox. Even if you do not select also doesn't matter, but just select output immediately checkbox. Select output immediately checkbox. Click on profiles tab. Click on profiles tab. Click on profiles tab. Profiles tab. Give the profile here SAP underscore all. It is a SAP underscore all profile tab. SAP underscore all. That means to this particular user Manisha C, you are giving authorization to all the transaction codes of SAP. SAP underscore all means this particular user will be allowed to use all the transaction codes as far as concerned to SAP. So SAP underscore all, but in real time it is not SAP underscore all, please. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So click on save. Click on save. Click on save. It takes bit time. Yeah, get the message user Manisha C was saved. User Manisha C was saved. See, noting down each and every message is very, very important, Manisha. When you are practicing, you will be so comfortable looking at your notes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have created one user cashier. Okay. Next step, let us create one more user manager. So create step number 2, create user called same. One second. SU01 did I use? Okay, right. Create user called Manisha M. M stands for manager for my easy remembrance sake. Using SU01. Using SU01. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So give SU01 in the command box. Press enter. Give SU01 in the command box. Press enter. Give the user MANISHA M. Click on create. Click on create option. Create. Give the title. Just I'm taking DR. Last name. Just I'm giving Manisha M. Just to differentiate from cashier to manager. Give the last name. Click on log on data. Log on data tab. Click on log on data tab. Give the password, initial password. I'm giving the same password, INDIA123, India 123. Give the initial password and give the repeat password, same, INDIA123. Give the initial password and give the repeat password. Click on defaults tab. Click on defaults tab. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Select output immediately checkbox. Select output immediately checkbox. Click on profiles tab. Click on profiles tab. Here, give the profile SAP underscore all. SAP underscore all. Click on save. Click on save and get the message user Manisha M was saved. Get the message user Manisha M was saved. right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we have done is we have created two users. One is cashier, another one is manager. So definitely we know very well that manager will have higher monetary powers compared to cashier, correct?
Yeah.
So what we need to do in the system is we need to create monetary limits, which we call it as tolerance limits. So
Okay.
to maintain tolerance limits, monetary limits, we need to create tolerance groups, monetary groups. One for cashier group, another for managers. Okay. So next, step 3. Slowly you will understand. Step 3. Create tolerance group for cashiers using OBA4. Create tolerance group for cashiers using OBA4 with a monetary limit in brackets low within brackets, that is tolerance limit of rupees 50,000. Hope I'm clear with my description.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to create a tolerance group for cashiers, and I would like to give maximum monetary limit as 50,000. Okay, that means cashiers will be able to process transactions up to a maximum monetary limit of 50,000. If any transaction which is more than 50,000 cannot be processed by the user called cashier. Understood?
Mm.
Okay, so take down the give OBA4 in the command box. OBA4, give the transaction code OBA4 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Click on new entries. Visible?
Yeah.
Click on new entries. Give the group. Just I am giving CASH. It's a 4-digit alphanumerical code.
Okay.
Group for cashiers. By giving cash, I am understanding that it is the group which is related to cashiers. Then company code MMI1. MMI1. So amount per document. See here, upper limit. That means
Yeah.
maximum limit, tolerance level. So just I'm giving 50,000. Amount per open item, account item also 50,000. 50,000. Let us maintain discount also. Sometimes in case of business, there is a possibility of offering discounts. So just I'm giving 5%. He is empowered to offer up to 5%. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Click on save. Press enter. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Here one thing you need to observe, Manisha, very carefully. See, this is the tolerance group cash we are creating for cashiers, right?
Yeah.
Under which company code?
MMI1.
MMI1. That means if you have 10 company codes, you need to create these tolerance groups separately for 10 company codes,
Yeah.
right? And for all company codes for the cashiers, it need not be 50,000. In one company code, it might be 50,000. In another company code, it might be less than that or more than that as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So next, we have created tolerance group for an end user category called cashiers. One more we need to create, no?
Yeah.
Step number 4. Create tolerance group for managers using OBA4 with a monetary limit of rupees, let's say 5 lakhs. Okay.
Yeah.
5 lakhs. So similar, give OBA4 in the command box. OBA4 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Group. Just I'm giving MANA. MANA. Any code you can give, need not be MANA. And company code, our company code is MMI1. Then amount per upper limit, amount per document. Manisha, remember, there is a word called posting, right?
Yeah.
Posting is nothing but processing. Posting is an accounting terminology, financial terminology. In general terminology, the same posting can be known as processing. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So amount per document 5 lakhs. Amount per open item account item 5 lakhs. Let's give discount 10%. Being he is a higher level manager, he is authorized to give 10% discount to the payment holders. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter and get the message data was saved. And
By
get the
payment
message.
holders, what?
No. Payment
By
model means
payment.
not with respect to bank. I'm talking about general business. Suppose you have purchased
Okay.
something. You have purchased something and you are supposed to pay, let's say 5 lakhs. Okay. When you are making payment, you must have requested for a discount. They
Okay.
have given you a credit period of, let's say 30 days, but before 30 days you went and you are trying to make a payment where you have requested for a discount. So instead of paying 5
Okay.
lakhs, he might accept you to pay 4,50,000 considering a discount of 10%. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So his tolerance level for allowing discount is 10%.
Okay.
Manager. Okay. Then, so we have created 2 tolerance groups. One is for cashier with a monetary limit of 50,000. Another one is for manager with a monetary limit of 5 lakhs. Okay.
Yeah.
Observe carefully, Manisha. Though we have created 2 groups, 2 tolerance groups. Okay. Just a second.
Hmm.
One second. Choose by contents. 1 second. By company code. See, 2 groups we have created, no? One for cash, another one is manager. Under the company code
Yeah.
MMI1. So this cash is the
Yeah.
tolerance group. This cash is the tolerance group which is applicable to users or employees called cashiers, and they will have rights up to 50,000.
Hmm.
Similarly, we have created one more group. manager, MANA, and the managers will have powers up processing of transactions up to 5 lakhs. Okay.
Yeah.
I have one question here. While creating these groups, did we give user IDs of cashier and manager?
No.
Then how system will understand? Cashier will have powers up to 50,000. Manager will have powers up to 5 lakhs. That
Maybe
means
we
some link. Yeah, we
assign
have
that.
to assign. Correct.
Yeah.
These groups are supposed to be assigned to the users. Okay. Am I
Yeah.
clear? Yeah. So now next step. Step number 5. Assign users. Assign users to tolerance groups. Tolerance groups using OB57. Using OB57. Using OB57. Hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
Okay. So assign users to tolerance groups using OB57. Please take down the path. SPRO. Give SPRO in the command box. SPRO in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Then financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings. Then document. 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 Then line item. Line item. Document. Then line item. Then assign user oblique tolerance groups. Assign user oblique tolerance groups. User oblique tolerance groups. So click on the clock icon beside assign user oblique tolerance groups. User oblique tolerance group. Click on this. Assign user oblique tolerance groups. Click on new entries. New entries. Click on new entries. New entries. Username AMISHAC. Sorry. MANISHAC. Correct.
Yeah.
Username. See, MANISHAC indicate which category? Manager category or cashier category? Cashier.
Yeah.
So which tolerance group we need to assign here? Cashier related, right? Yeah.
CASH. Yeah.
CASH. So if you know, directly type, or else you have option to select from the drop down button. CASH. Multiple you can find here. See, CASH MMI1. Clear?
Yeah.
So give tolerance group CASH. Next username MANISHAM. MANISHAM. Then tolerance group manager tolerance group MANA. See MANA here. MANA. MANA. So we are assigning users to tolerance groups. Therefore, system will understand cashier will be allowed to process up to a 50,000 and manager will be allowed to process with transactions with a monetary value not more than 5 lakhs. Okay.
Yeah.
So click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Next step. See, so far we haven't entered into document parking. We have just created users, tolerance groups, and we have assigned users to tolerance groups, right?
Yeah.
The next step 6. It's very, very simple step and easy step. Log out from existing user using /nex /nex. Log out from existing user using /nex. That means /nex is also a command. It's a transaction code.
Yeah, it will
How to
log
do
out the
that?
session.
Yeah. So just how to log out?
That's,
Just give /nex in the command box.
yeah.
/nex in the command box. Press enter. You will be logged out.
Yeah.
Okay. It's only simple step. Next step. Step number 7. Step number 7. Log into SAP system. Log into SAP system as a cashier. As a cashier. As a cashier. Okay.
Yeah.
How to log into SAP system? You know it. So
Yeah,
click on
user
this.
ID and the password which we have
No,
set.
this SAP logon pad. Log on.
Yeah.
See, before logging in, as what you would like to log in as a cashier, right?
Cashier, yeah.
We have created cashier MANISHAC. Give the cashier user ID
Yeah.
and give the password which we have given while creating the user ID. India 123. INDIA 123. So give the cashier user ID and password. Press enter. See, as soon as enter, system will ask you to change the password. Why it is asking for the user to
Yeah.
change the password?
Because this is being provided by the maybe basis consultants or
Yeah,
SAP
basis
as well.
consultants
We
and
can
they
change
should
it
not.
for our
Yeah, for
convenience.
our convenience, as per our convenience. So just I am giving MANISHA123. Any password you can give. Just I am giving Manisha123. So give the new password and repeat the new password. MANISHA123. Give the new password and repeat the new password. Press enter. Press enter on your keyboard. See here, SAP username Manisha C, right?
Yeah.
Again presenter, again presenter. See, you can see here your name. Earlier it was SAP user.
Yeah.
Now it is money. That means now we have entered into SAP system as a cashier. So as a cashier, what is the monetary limit?
50,000.
50,000. So first, let us try posting with one transaction. Next step, step number 8. Step 8, process. I'm taking an example of rent. Hmm? Rent
Yeah.
paid of rupees 22,000 using F-02. What is the amount of rent we are trying to process?
22,000.
In which login?
Cashier.
What is the tolerance limit for the cashier which we have given?
50,000.
So cashier is allowed, system will allow cashier to process a transaction up to 50,000. Now we are trying to process with 22,000, whether system will reject or accept.
Accept.
It will accept, it will allow him to process. Just I'm checking. You know how to process rent. So
Yeah.
give F-02 in the command box. I'll go a bit faster because you know how to
Yeah.
process. So give F-02 in the command box, press enter, give the document date, today's date, give the document type SA, company code MMI1, document posting date and posting period 3, currency INR, then give posting key 40, give the GL account 3,01,000, press enter, amount 22,000, give the text, rent paid in cash, just I'm giving 22,000. Just for my convenience sake, I'm giving, for my comfort sake. Posting key 50, GL account 1,01,000, press enter, give star in amount field, plus in text field, go to document on the main menu, click on simulate, click on post. See, document 17 was posted, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, that means as the transaction value within the limits, system has accepted cashier to process the transaction. Now, next step.
Yeah.
Important step, keep star mark for this step. Step number 9. Keep star mark, please, for this step.
Okay.
Process rent paid of rupees 55,000 using F-02. Process rent paid of rupees 55,000 using F-02. Manisha, in which login we are in? Cashier or manager?
Cashier.
Cashier. And what is the
Yeah.
tolerance limit? 50,000.
1,000. Yeah. For this system will not allow.
Should not allow, shall not allow,
Yeah.
must not allow, will not allow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us try to process. Now write down very clearly. Give, I will go slowly. Give F-02 in the command box. F-02 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the document date, today's date. Document date, today's date. Then document type SA. Document type SA. Company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. No problem. If you want me to go further slow, I'll go very slow.
No, no, it's fine.
Yeah, company code MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting period is 3. Manisha, remember one thing, because you want to settle in SAP career, you have chosen SAP as a career. See, if you find 100 persons who are working in SAP, you can categorize them into 2 different groups. First category is working. They will work properly. Second category is they will work with quality. See, the SAP consultants who are working with quality feature, they never have problem irrespective of the industry situation. Whatever may be the industry's position, the SAP consultants who are providing quality service, always they will have demand in the market, whether there is a market or whether there is not a market. Okay, that means while learning itself, we should learn like anything. We should focus on conceptual clarity. Just now you have asked today in today's session, what is that debit and credit? That 2 aspects, right? So always you should have that a burning factor to learn the things. If you are, when learning, if you learn from that particular pattern in that particular fashion, you will never forget the subject, you will never lose the concepts, and it will help you a lot in analyzing the issues in real time. Out of 100 consultants, this style of working will have very few, and those few consultants will be paid high remuneration, high salary, and they will have higher scope when compared to others. Okay, right. So currency INR. The next, posting key 40, 3 lakh 1, rent, presenter, give the amount 55,000. Actually, system should not accept us. Let us see whether it will accept or not. 55,000 in amount field. Text, rent paid in cash, 55,000. 55,000. Give posting key 50. Give posting key 50. Give the GL account 1 lakh 1. Give the GL account 1 lakh 1. Press enter. Press enter. Observe carefully. As soon as I press enter, system will throw an error message. I'm pressing enter. Observe the screen carefully. So give posting key 50, account 1 lakh 1, press enter. Right now I'm pressing enter key on my keyboard. See, you may only post documents up to INR 50,000. With a red indicator or yellow indicator, the message is. Red means it is not a warning message, it is an error message. That means, see how many times you press enter, system will not take you to the next screen. It will stop you at this particular screen. So write down carefully. Get the error message. Get the error message. Get the error message. You may only post documents up to INR 50,000. You may only post documents up to INR 50,000. This is because of the tolerance group of cashiers in which we have maintained maximum limit of amount as 50,000. Clear?
Yeah.
So as it is more than his level, who has to process this? Who has to post this transaction?
Manager.
Manager. But our managers in real time are meant for data processing.
No.
Their time, even they want to process transactions also, their time will not permit them to spend on data processing. And basically they are not meant for data processing, rather they are meant for analysis and decision making. Correct?
Yeah.
But though they are meant for a different purpose, here system is not allowing cashier to process. Cashier is having time, cashier knows how to process, but system is not allowing because he is not empowered, he is not authorized. So this transaction has to be processed, it has to be posted or processed by the manager, but in real time manager does not have this, does not have time to process this transaction. His time will not permit him to do this much data processing. Therefore what cashier will do is he will fill up all the data. Instead of posting this 55,000 worth document, instead of posting, he will park the document. That means 95% of the work he will do, remaining 5% work will be done by the manager. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, next step. Hope you have some more time to go for next
Yeah,
step,
I have.
right? Okay, right.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So please take down step number 9. Again, star mark. Step number 10. Park the document for rent payment using using F-65 oblique or FBV1. FBV1. F-65 oblique FBV1. 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 See, Manisha, remember, observe the description carefully. I'm not saying process. I'm saying park. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access. See, still we are in the cashier login only.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, then posting. One second. One second, please. Yeah. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, then what is the code I have given? F-65.
F-65.
So double click on F-65 general document parking. It is similar to F-02 only. Double click on F-65 general document posting. Sorry, parking. So double click on that. Give the document date, today's date. Document date. See, it says park document. See, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So document date, document type SA, company code MMI1, our company code, posting date, today's date. See, cashier is filling all data entry.
Yeah.
Posting period 3, currency INR. Posting period 3, currency INR. Posting key 40, 3 lakh 1. 3,01,000. Press enter. Press enter. Give the amount 55,000. Text. Rent paid in cash 55,000. Rent paid in cash 55,000. Posting key 50. 50. Give 1,01,000 GL account. 1,01,000 GL account. Press enter. Press enter. Give star mark in amount field, plus in text field. Star mark in amount field, plus in text field. Click on save. Click on save icon. Click on save icon and note down the message carefully without forgetting. Document 18 I1 was parked. Document 18 I1 was parked. It did not say posted or processed. It said document 18 I1 was parked. Okay.
Yeah.
Now who has to post this? Who has to process this?
Manager.
Manager. How does he know that so and so document has been parked and he has to post? He
By
will
the
not get
document.
any. Yeah, he will not get any dream. No, correct.
Yeah.
So the person who has parked has to intimate manager stating that I have parked so and so document because I don't have authorization. You please post it because you have authorization, right? He has to intimate, right?
Yeah.
Generally for intimation we use mail communication, either Lotus Notes or Gmail or other any mail providers, right?
Yeah.
But in SAP you don't need to depend on other outside mailing providers. In SAP itself, mailing facility, we have mailing facility within SAP. Okay,
Okay.
right. Next step, more 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem.
Step 11, mailing cashier to mailing by cashier. Let us write very clearly. Mailing by cashier to manager for intimating him to post the document parked. Document parked. Mailing by cashier to manager for intimating him to post the document parked using. Did you remember the document number, Manisha?
Yeah. 18.
18. We have to remember that. Okay.
18.
So using SBWP. No. SO00. Sorry. SO00. Using SO00. SO00. Okay. SO00 is a transaction code like F-02, OBA4, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So give SO00 in the command box. Give SO00 in the command box. Press enter. Give SO00 in the command box. Press enter. I haven't pressed enter yet. Either way also, another way also you can do. what you can do is, first you can type SO00 press enter, it will take you to the mailing screen. Instead of that, you can see your system, right?
Yeah.
System, then click on short message. Short message. System on the main menu, then click on short message. It takes some time, please. Right, title. See, this is the mail content title. So just a title. Just I'm saying post document number 18 in company code MMI1. Need not be the title same. Just I'm giving post document number 18 in company code MMI1. Okay.
Yeah.
Title is nothing but subject in our mail. Then next,
Okay.
in this white box you can give full details. So just I'm giving like dear manager, dear manager, post document number 18 in company code MMI1. You can write regards, your name and all those things you can mention. Next here you can
Yeah.
see recipient, right? Recipient.
Yeah.
Recipient is nothing but to whom we are trying to send this intimation, manager. So MANISHAM is user ID shall be given.
Okay.
So give recipient, that is manager user ID. Then click on send icon. You can see here on the top left, click on send. Send. That's it. Okay. Next step.
Okay.
Now we have intimated our job is over. Cashier job is been completed, right?
Yeah.
The next step, step number 12. For 12, log out from cashier user using /ex. Log out from cashier user using /ex. Okay.
Yeah.
Simple. It is very simple step. So type /ex in the command box, press enter. You will be logged out from SAP cashier login. Now
Yeah.
what we have to do? What is the next step?
Now
Step
again we
3.
need to log in as manager.
Correct. Log into SAP system. SAP system with SAP system as a manager. As a manager. Log into SAP system as a manager. You know how to log in. So click on log on. Give the manager user ID MANISHAM. Give the initial password which we have given at the time of creating manager user ID. India123. INDIA123. So give the manager user ID, password, press enter. It will ask for password change, right?
Yeah. Mm.
So just I'm giving MANISHA123. Again repeat the new password MANISHA123. So give the new password and repeat the new password. Press enter. Observe here username is
Yeah.
Manisha M.
Yeah.
Again press enter. Yeah. Now see, here username is Manisha M. Now we have logged into SAP system as a manager. What we have to do now?
And now we need to post the document
No,
for
how
which
do I know? How do I know that I received a
checking.
mail? I should check the mail now.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Next. Step number 14. 14. Check mailbox using SBWP. SBWP. SBWP is also a code, transaction code. It says SAP Business Workplace. Check mailbox using SBWP. SAP Business Workplace. Okay.
Yeah.
Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Then here, Office. Not accounting, please. Office.
Okay.
Office. Then double click on Workplace. Double click on Workplace.
Yeah.
One second. Click on Inbox here. Inbox. This right-sided, right-faced icon is there, no? Arrow.
Yeah.
Inbox. Visible?
Yeah.
Inbox. Then double click on Unread Documents. Double click on Unread Documents. Double click on Unread Documents. See, this is how you'll come to know,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
So now he will come to know so and so document, okay, is being is supposed to process document number 18. Okay. Now next step, step number 15. Step number 15. Post oblique process oblique release parked document using FBV0. Using FBV0. Post oblique process oblique release parked document using FBV0. Please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. General ledger. General ledger. One second. Yeah. One second, please. Settings. Let me select this. So SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, no, document, parked document, parked document, general ledger, document, parked document, then double click on FBV0, post oblique delete. Double click on FBV0, post oblique delete. Double click on that. What is the company code?
MMI1.
So MMI1. What is the parked document number?
18.
18. If you remember, no problem. If you do not remember, you can check in the mailbox. No,
Yeah.
like this. Okay. Anyway, we know, no, 18. Document number 18. Give the fiscal year 2019. 19. So give the company code, give the parked document number, that is 18. Then fiscal year 2019. Fiscal year 2019. See, the screen says post parked document. Correct?
Yeah.
Right. So give the company code, give the parked document number, give the fiscal year, press enter. Press enter. One second, please. Yeah, press enter. Click on post. Click on post. See, he as a manager, he has not entered anything. He has
Yeah,
not
but all
he
the
has not given. Yeah, all the details were provided or given, entered by cashier.
okay.
So click on, yeah, click on post. See, now the system has given document 18 was posted. Earlier it was parked in cashier user ID, right?
Yeah.
So now it is document 18 was posted. Okay. So this is how the concept of parking works in real in SAP system. Here, under this concept parking, we have understood what is parking, and tolerance groups purpose also we have understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what is document parking. Hope I'm clear with my explanation.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Okay. So start practicing the things, and wherever you
Yeah.
struck, you just let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And before that, I have one request from my side. I would request you to provide the feedback for my classes so far, please, so that I'll come to know where to improve and what to do further to give you the better. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you and have a nice time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.